Welcome to 60 Seconds of Bite-Sized Wisdom. Did you know in NinjaOne it's now easier than ever to install our agent? If you come into Administration and then Settings in Agent Installer, you can turn on the Installer Management slider here. This will give you visibility in the dashboard to a screen called Agent Installers. In this list is a token that maps every organization and location to essentially an installer that you can use, and you can use this as a command line argument on generic installers, which are available here if you want to download them there. You can also click on the individual tokens and you can get things like a button to copy the token out, or you can choose, depending on what OS you want to take the installer for, a direct install the URL for a specific installation, or even a PowerShell snippet here that you can just copy and paste to install using the generic agent. You also have the ability to revoke these installers, which I'm going to do in a second because now they're out there in public. I hope that's been informative for you. Thank you.